Yo, what is up, guys? We are back again dito sa ating journey to a full motorcycle license, and since hindi na ako makapaghintay, I bought something, guys. I know I'm so excited, pero guys, you've got to see this. I mean, you've got to see this. This is so cool. Here you go, guys. I've got the Neutron S electroluminescent helmet. So this is as you can see from the picture, lights for your helmets so that people can see you better at night. It is very well packaged. It's so professional looking, and it is professional looking. So guys, let's open the box. Oh, parang cellphone lang, oh. Light mode. So, sa loob, merong controller dito. Sorry, in-install ko na pala, and nauna na ako, in-install ko na, guys. And merong box dito na dito nakalagay yung lights, pero ang natira na lang is yung extra cables and yung charging ports. There we go, guys. And then, are you ready? Ipapakita ko na ang itsura kapag nalagay na siya sa helmet. Yes, sir! So mates, nilagay ko na siya sa aking helmet. This is my AGV K5 helmet. And it's already propped for moto vlogging. And as you can see, let's start at the back. Ito po yung light mode, which is water resistant. And these, hindi halata. These are the green strip lights. There we go, guys. Goes around the helmet. And same with the other side. It goes around the helmet. It's so very streamlined. So, peel and stick na lang siya, guys. You just peel and you stick. That easy, guys. So, hindi siya halata kasi sa umaga kasi tawag nito, black and green yung helmet ko. But what does it look like when we turn off the lights? So, ito na, naka-off na yung ilaw. And let's see kung anong itsura niya kapag in-on natin. There we go, guys. Oh my god. That is so freaking cool. Oh, yes, sir. Diba? So, kapag pinindot mo yung controller, pwede siyang mag-blink. Yan. And then, faster blinks. And the fastest one is this one. Diba? My goodness gracious me. It's so beautiful. So, ayun mga katropa, na-install natin ang light mode helmet lights. If you want to buy them, just go to their website, lightmode.com. If I'm correct, yeah, that's their website. And you can also check YouTube for the installation videos. There are so many helpful tips and tricks there on how to install your light mode helmet kit. So there we go, guys. I hope you like the video. Follow me. On Sunday, I'm gonna be doing my CBT. That's my compulsory basic training. Wish me luck, guys, and see you there.
Late night or early morning, I can't tell. They're praying on my downfall. I wake up fly as hell.